I'm seeing visions through my dreams, seeing myself swimming in the universe. My ancestors gave me gifts to read cards, predict and heal. My name is Daphne, but spirit calls me bye-bye love. Angels communicate through numbers. Intuition is so deep. The gift I fully embrace within.
Hi Leo, welcome po sa inyong reading. So this is for June of 2025 reading. Para po sa mga bago, don't forget to click the subscribe button, smash the like button, comment below kung kayo po ay nakaka-resonate, and hit the notification bell. Kung gusto nyo pong sumali sa ating live sessions, doon po yan sa ating kabilang channel, that is Babaylan TV. No? So marami kasi nagtatanong bakit dalawa yung channel. Ang una ko pong ginawa ay Babaylan TV, no? Ang audiences po natin ay mga foreigners. So, after a year or two, sabi ko bakit hindi tayo gumawa ng Tagalog channel para makapag-reach out naman tayo doon sa ating mga Pinoy here and abroad. So, kaya meron dalawang channel. Hindi kasi pwedeng pagsamahin yung Tagalog and English na readings, baka magkagulo, no? So, baka malito din yung mga audiences. So, kaya merong isang channel, no? Share ko lang. Yan. Gusto ko pong sabihin sa inyo na this is a general reading. So, you may resonate with the entire reading or you may resonate with some bits and pieces of the reading. Take what's only yours. Leo. 10 of Pentacles, the Temperance, the 9 of Cups. So I feel like meron na ditong either bibigay, may ibibigay, bibigay to a sense of, siguro meron na ditong satisfactions. Meron na ditong nasasabi nila sa sarili nila na, uy, oo nga. Parang nakikita ko na yung future ko sa taong ito. Meron din namang mga iba dito na nag-iipon na for future plans. Meron na rin dito mga sabihin nating mga bagay na I'm investing, no? One thing is for sure, someone is really looking forward na makasama. Ibibigay na for a few numbers of you. So, doon sa mga magjowa na, I feel like nandito na, malapit na, or eto na yung cohabitation, proposal, or marriage, no? Pinag-iisipan na, pinagpaplanuhan na, yung iba siguro nagpaplano magkaroon na ng anak, or dagdagan na yung anak. Parang siya, it's about time. Ayan. It's about time para gawin ko na to, sabihin ko na to, with the 8 of Cups and the Chariot. Uy. So, parang naman nakakakilig ito, Leo. Nagkaroon ng separations. Separations can be physical or energetic. No? Physical, literally, the person might be in a different city, state, county, country, different continent. Pwede rin na different planet, what have you. Nasa kabilang bahay, literal, no? Magkahiwalay kayo. Or energetic separations, yung hindi kayo nag-uusap pero nakikita kayo. Or both, no? Dahil sa misunderstanding. So, nagkaroon ng challenges, and then someone finally, no, realized na hindi ko kayang mawala itong person na ito sa buhay ko. So, what I'm gonna do here is, go back, return, reconcile with the person. The 8 of Cups. The more na tumatagal, the more na lumalayo, mas doon na-feel yung weight, no, ng emotions, yung pagkakatatag, yung intensity, there you go, na ganun ko pala kamahal ito, no? Kaya nandun yung realization na hindi ako mabubuhay nang wala siya, no? Okay. With the Eight of Cups. Eight of Cups is clarified by the Hermit and the Knight of Wands. Chances are, it could be a May-December love affair. Pwede ring hindi, konti lang yung gap. But if we're not talking about the numbers, we may be talking about the maturity. Pwedeng may batang isip matanda, merong matandang walang pinagkatandaan, joke, isip bata, no? Pwede din itong LGBTQIA+ relationship. Chances are either maturity or masyadong mahaba yung inantay natin. Siguro hindi tayo nawalan ng hope dito sa relationship na ito, kaya siguro ito yung time na harvest season na rin dahil kumbaga yung pasensya natin, no? Talagang we stretched our patience para makita lang, makuha lang, ma-achieve, no, itong inaasam-asam natin. With the Two of Wands, so parating na. So I feel like the energy is already approaching the Seven of Pentacles and the Nine of Pentacles. So that makes sense dahil ang Nine of Pentacles is the harvest season. The Ten of Pentacles is enjoying, no, yung harvest with the interest. With the Seven of Pentacles and the Hermit card, almost the same energy na may pag-aantay. But I feel like medyo extra lang yung pag-aantay ng Hermit kasi nga it takes really a long time, no? Ito nga ba ang sinasabi nating dun sa quote o yung kasabihan na huli man daw at magaling na ihahabol pa din. The Moon card and the Four of Swords. Siguro meron ditong natatakot na babalikan pa ba ako? Napagod na ba si person kasi nag-aantay lang ako? Or napapagod na ba ako, nakakahabol, kailan ba siya, no? Siya naman ang mag-reach out at siya naman ang gagawa ng move para dito sa relationship namin with the Queen of Wands and the Nine of Swords. Nine of Swords is clarified by the Hangman and the Three of Cups. So, madami ditong sleepless nights, marami tayong mga iniisip, hindi tayo nakakapagtulog-tulog ng maayos. It also kind of makes me feel na magkakaroon ng clarity. So, parang may sagot dito sa mga hindi natin, sa mga worries natin, anxieties, and it could be depressions, you know, if this happens from the past. Queen of Wands kasi ito yung pag-uusap. So, there will be a brutally honest communication. May pag-iyak siguro, merong paghagulgol. Mixed emotions to eh. Yung galit mailalabas at the same time yung tuwa, no? Mafe-feel din natin na hindi pa pala, para yung alam mo yung galit ka pero gusto mo rin yung nangyayari. Ang hirap explain, no? Parang gusto mo siyang saktan pero yung sakit na yon, yung pagmamahal. So yeah, this is what is going to happen this month. So let's check the zodiac sign of your person. This can be their sun sign or a placement in their chart, ha? Pero bago yan, gusto ko po ipaalala sa inyo na sa kabilang channel po, Babaylan TV. Yan po ang ating unang channel catered for our international audience. Nagla-live tayo dyan, so pwede kayong sumali. Kung hindi nyo po maabutan yung live sessions, pwede naman kayo magtanong dito sa ating comment section as long as yung question po is answerable by yes or no. Pero kung hindi po kayo papatulugin ng yes or no na sagot lang, dumiretso na po kayo dun sa ating website. Sa description box ng video na ito, there is a link. Click the link, you will be routed to my website. Nandun po yung information, name, number, QR code, amount per questions. So, take advantage of the 4 questions plus 1 kasi Discounted na po yon. And if you want to book a private reading, nandun din po siya. No? So let's check the zodiac sign of your person. This can be their sun sign or a placement in their chart. Pisces, Scorpio, Sagittarius, Leo, Virgo, Capricorn. Did I just mention Taurus? So yeah, it's Cancer, yeah, Taurus. So Leo, Sagittarius, Scorpio. So buong buo dito ang water signs. Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, or baka kapwa Leo ito, no? So this is your reading. Love and light to you. Namaste. See you po sa susunod na readings. Goodbye.